In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Bollinger Bands on TradingView. By the end, you'll have them on your chart and understand exactly which settings you can adjust to make them work for your trading style. First, open the chart for the market you want to analyze. In TradingView, load the symbol you're interested in. This could be a stock, a cryptocurrency pair, or a forex pair. Make sure you're on the time frame you usually use, since Bollinger Bands respond to the data that's on your screen. Once the chart is visible, we're ready to add the indicator. At the top of the screen, click the Indicators button. In the search box that appears, type Bollinger Bands. From the list, choose the standard Bollinger Bands, often labeled as BB. As soon as you select it, the indicator will overlay directly onto your price chart. You'll see three lines: a middle line, which is a simple moving average, and an upper and lower band that expand and contract with volatility. That's your visual cue that the indicator is active. Next, let's fine-tune the settings. On the chart, hover your mouse over the Bollinger Bands label near the top left of the pane. You'll see a small gear icon. Click that to open the settings panel. Here's where you can customize how the bands behave and look. Length, also called the period, controls how many bars the simple moving average and the deviation calculation are based on. The default is 20, which is a widely used setting. A higher number makes the bands smoother and slower to react. A lower number makes them more sensitive to recent price changes. STD-dev, or standard deviation, defines how far the upper and lower bands sit from the moving average. The default is 2, which creates the classic Bollinger Band envelope. Increasing this value widens the bands, capturing more price movement. Decreasing it tightens them, which can highlight more frequent touches. Source tells the indicator which price point to use, typically the closing price. You can leave this at close unless you have a specific reason to reference another price input. Under Styles, adjust the colors, line thickness, and the fill between the bands. Clear visuals help you read the chart faster, so choose a style that contrasts well with your background and candles. When you're happy with the setup, click OK to apply your changes. That's it. Your Bollinger Bands are now configured on TradingView, ready to help you visualize trends and volatility with clarity.